Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make unlimited chocolate. Start with quality ingredients and precise measurements to ensure consistent flavor and texture. Use refined cocoa butter, Dutched or natural cocoa powder, and granulated sugar or sugar substitute, depending on taste. Measure by weight and control heat to avoid scorching. Experiment with lecithin for smoother mouthfeel and vanilla for aroma. Consider adding nuts, sea salt, or dried fruit for contrast. Keep a tasting notebook to refine ratios and techniques for continuous improvement. Quick recommendation: if you like making bars or prepping chocolate snacks, pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to store portions and prevent mess. They keep chocolate dry, organized, and easy to transport, which is perfect for gifting or markets. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy neater chocolate storage. Now let's get back to the video. Tempering stabilizes cocoa butter crystals and gives chocolate a glossy snap and stable melt. Use seeding or tabling methods, or control temperatures precisely with a thermometer for repeatable results. Maintain a clean, dry workspace and avoid humidity, which causes bloom. Reclaim trimmings by melting and filtering to remove debris before reusing. Scale production by batching small heats and storing tempered chocolate in airtight containers between pours. Label batches with dates and flavor notes for tracking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.